In this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to set up your new Google account, add your details, choose your email address, and get ready to start using Gmail for sending and receiving emails. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Gmail and tech tutorials. To do this, what you want to do first is come across to gmail.com, and if you do already have an account and you're logged in, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your Google account icon just up here, and then from here, if you do have a number of different Google accounts, just scroll all the way to the bottom where you're going to see an option to add another account. So give that a click. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and from here you want to click onto use another account. Now what that's going to do is take you to a sign in screen like this, but if you look down towards the bottom, you're going to see a link to create account. Give that a click, and then it's going to ask if you want to create an account for personal use, for a child, or for work or business. So in this example, I'm going to select for personal use, and then what it's going to do is ask you to enter your first name and surname. Once you've done that, click on to next. What you need to do now is enter your date of birth and gender, and then again click next at the bottom. So now it's going to ask you to choose a Gmail address. So you would just enter your username, and your actual email is going to be your username at gmail.com. So I've just called this one Tech Tutor example at gmail.com. Once you've done that, click next. Just a note that you can use letters, numbers, and full stops in your email if you need to. And if your email is available, it's going to take you to a screen to create your password. Once you've done that, click on to next. And then what you need to do is just enter a phone number, and what they're going to do is send a quick verification code, and this is just a quick verification to confirm that you're not a robot and you are a real person creating an account. So in my case, I've already used my phone number to create a number of Google accounts. I can't actually create any more because you're limited to how many times you can create a Google account with a phone number. But basically once you've done this section, it's going to send a code to your phone number, which you would enter into the next screen. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and finish creating your Gmail account. So that is how to create a Gmail account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.